during the day. What do you want?
She said, what are you doing? You are silly. Are you posing?
There's my cute
Doesn't he look like he's trying to pose?
For sure. He's a little glamour puss.
Hi, honey. Hi.
Mommy's coming. Get that bow.
He's waving at you.
She wants to see him play with something. Where'd that bow go?
I don't know.
He had a bow that he... There it is. No.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Let's see if we can... Here, honey. Look. Hey. Hey.
This is... I don't think so, Mom. You didn't mail the mail thing.
I didn't leave the house.
You have not left the house?
No, I've not left the house. In case you were wondering.
Okay, here we go. Now you've got eggs, here's sugar.
We need
flour,
cloves.
cloves. Ah,
Cloves?
hold the bag, hold the bag.
You need cloves?
Thank you.
Yeah?
Like ground cloves?
I would think, yeah.
I don't think we need whole cloves.
No, that's for hams.
Oh, you'll have to, they're probably in there. What do you need?
Oh.
Cloves are probably not there, they're probably behind you. Ground nutmeg. Ground cloves.
He's not doing anything now. You haven't seen him at his
pumpkin?
best. Okay, do you have a bag? Get a bag out of there.
Where? Here?
Right there. Okay, here's your sugar.
Vivian.
Pumpkin
Is that
flour.
2 cups, do you think?
I think so. I think it's actually a little more. Because it's a quart container. Should be a little more. All right.
I think that's it.
No, wait.